Yeah, students, just practice some questions. First question here: which of the following reaction does not involve change in the oxidation number? Means there is no change in oxidation number. Here VO plus 2 gives rise to V2O3. Here oxidation number of vanadium is plus, you can calculate now. Here Na 0 converted to plus 1. Here chromate ion CrO4 minus to chromium oxidation number is plus 6. Here also chromium oxidation number is plus 6. You can select this answer. There is no change of oxidation number. Does not involve change. Plus 6 plus 6. Now in the balanced chemical reaction, K2Cr2O7 plus XH2SO4 plus YSO2 gives rise to K2SO4 Cr2SO4 taken thrice plus ZH2O. Here Z, Y, X is asking coefficients of X, Y, Z. So try to get concept here. K2Cr2O7 chromium oxidation number here plus 6 converted to plus 3 plus 6 converted to plus 3. So change is what? 3 only. So 2 into 3 6 total, overall change is 6. Here sulfur oxidation number plus 4 converted to plus 6. In SO2 sulfur oxidation number is plus 4, in SO4 minus 2 sulfur oxidation number is plus 6. So SO2 involved in oxidation. So everyone got idea na? Plus 6 converted to plus 3. Here change is 2. Here change is 6. 2 1 the 2 3 the. So now balance the reaction. K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4 plus how many moles of SO2? Here 3 SO2. K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4 plus 3 SO2 gives rise to K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 taken thrice plus H2O. So here almost all balanced na. Here only 1. Here answer is 3. Here answer is 1. So correct answer is what? X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 3, Z is equal to 1. Next, in the equation, balanced equation, 5H2O2 plus XClO2 plus 2OH minus gives rise to XCl minus plus YO2 plus 6H2O. The value of X and Y are what? So only if you are able to calculate oxidation number, you will get answer. Here oxygen oxidation number is minus 1. Here oxygen oxidation number is 0. Minus 1 converted to 0. Minus 1 converted to 0. Minus 1 converted to 0. Change is only 1, but 2 oxygens na. So minimum change is 2. Here chlorine oxidation number is plus 4. In ClO2 chlorine oxidation number is plus 4. Plus 4 converted to minus 1. Change is what? 5. So 5H2O2 plus, here what? Change. Minus 1 converted to 0. Change is only 1, but O2. O2 means total net change 2. So 2ClO2. 2ClO2 plus 2OH minus gives rise to how many chlorines? 2 chlorines. So 2Cl minus plus, check the oxygens. 5 to the 10, 2 4 the 8, 18 to 20. Here 6 over. How many left? You can check it. 5 to the 10 plus 4 to the 8. 18 plus 2 20. Okay na? Balance the oxygens. How many? Okay. The values of X and Y are what? Here question. X is equal to how much? X is equal to how much? Y is equal to how much? Okay na? Here plus 4 converted to minus 1. Change is 5. Here change is 2. Okay. 2 ClO2. 2 Cl minus. X is equal to 2. Okay, 5 to the 10 plus 2 to the 4, 14 plus 2, 16, 6 over here 5, 5 to the 10. Number of moles of K2Cr2O7 reduced by 1 mole of Sn plus 2. Sn belongs to fourth group, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin lead. Tin possible oxidation number plus 2 and plus 4 only. Plus 2 converted to plus 4 means only change is 2. But in K2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7 gives rise to what? 2Cr plus 3. Here plus 6 converted to plus 3. Change is 3. But 2 chromiums, 2 into 3. 6 electrons. Here need how many electrons? 6 electrons. Here giving only 2 electron. Sn converting into 2 to 4 means providing only 2 electrons. But 1 mole of potassium chromate required 6 electrons. Okay, understood? So what will be the answer you can find? K2Cr2O7 plus 6 converting into plus 3. 1 mole of K2Cr2O7 required how many electrons? 6 electrons. 1 chromium 3 electrons only, but K2Cr2O7 contains 2 chromiums. So 2 into plus 3, 6 electrons required. But 1 mole of Sn giving how many electrons? 2 electrons. 1 mole of tin giving how many electrons? 1 mole of Sn. Number of moles of K2Cr2O7 reduced by 1 mole of Sn plus 2. 1 mole of Sn plus 2 capable producing change is what? 2. 2 electrons only giving. 1 K2Cr2O7 required how many? 6. Okay. So 3 moles of Sn can reduce 1 mole of K2Cr2O7. So answer is what? 1 by 3. So in the balanced reaction, MnO4 minus plus SO3 minus 2 plus H plus gives rise to Mn plus 2 SO4 minus 2, the number of H plus ions involved. Just balance the reaction, you will get. Here what is the manganese oxide number? Plus 7. Converted to what? Plus 2. Change is what? 5. 5 moles of SO3 minus 2. Here sulfur oxide number plus 4. Here plus 6. Change is 2. 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 SO3 minus 2 gives rise to 2 Mn plus 2 plus 5 SO4 minus 2. So he is asking number of H plus. 2 4 the 8 plus 5 3 the 15. 23. 5 4 the 20 over. So plus what? 3H2O. 3H2O means 3 to the 6. 6H plus ions. So answer is what? 6. Next. When SO2 passed through a acidified K2Cr2O7 solution, the oxidation state sulfur changed from K2Cr2O7 is potassium dichromate. Here chromium oxidation number is plus 6. Chromium highest possible oxidation number is plus 6. Whenever K2Cr2O7 participate in chemical reaction, only chance for undergoing reduction acts as oxygen agent. And sulfur dioxide definitely in this reaction undergoes oxidation. Already sulfur dioxide sulfur oxidation number is +4. If it is participate in oxidation reaction, only chance for exhibiting oxidation. Okay, +4 convert into +6. Simply you can attempt the answer. Next, the number of electron lost or gained. Here Fe plus H2O gives rise to Fe3O4 plus H2. In this reaction, number of electron lost or gained. So see properly reaction. Fe converted to Fe3O4. Fe3O4 is a mixed oxide of FeO and Fe2O3. See properly. So here Fe converted to Fe plus 2. Here iron oxidation number is +6. Sorry, +2. Here iron oxidation number is +3. So here 0 converted to +2. 2 electrons involved. Next, similarly, here iron oxidation number +3 kada. Fe 2Fe gives rise to 2Fe plus 3. Here 2 into 0 converted to 2 into +3 means total 6. Here 6, here 2. Total how many electrons? 8 electrons involved. In the reduction of dichromate by Fe plus 2, the number of electrons involved. Dichromate ion. Number of electrons involved. Chromium atom is 1 chromium atom. Dichromate ion formula is Cr2O7 minus 2. Converted to chromic ion. +6 converted to +3. For each atom, only 3 electrons involved. For atom, only 3 electrons, but total 6 electrons. So correct answer is what? 3 only, because question is atom. The number of moles oxalate ion oxidized by MnO4. Oxalate ion formula is C2O4 minus 2, converting into CO2. Here +3 convert into +4. Only change is 1, but minimum change is 2. 2 carbons there na, so total change is 2. And MnO4 minus, concept important, MnO4 minus in acidic media convert into Mn plus 2. +7 converting into +2. Here change is 5. Okay, here change is 2. You can multiply the concept. 69. 69. Okay na. So see properly. C2O4 convert into CO2. +3 convert into +4. 2 into +3 convert into 2 into +4. Change is 2. MnO4 minus +7 converting into +2. Change is 5. Okay. 2 moles of KMnO4 can change. 2 moles of KMnO4 can change 1 mole of 5 moles of oxalic acid. So the number of moles of oxalate ion oxidized by 1 mole of 2 moles. 2 moles. Number of moles of oxalate ion oxidized by 1 mole of MnO4 minus. 2 moles of MnO4 minus can change 5 moles of oxalate. Okay na? 1 mole how much? Okay, 5/2 concept understood. Next, in the balanced reaction, Cl2 plus OH minus gives rise to Cl minus plus ClO3 minus plus H2O. Here this is the example for disproportionation reaction. Here 0 convert into -1 and 0 converted to +5. So total +5 na, 3 Cl2, 5 Cl minus, 6 OH minus, 3 H2O. So here correct coefficient totally I mentioned 3, 6, 5, 1, 3. Okay, answer understood. He is asking only Cl2 and OH minus. 3 Cl2 and 6 OH minus. Answer is 1. Okay, just listen I will prepare some more bits later, right?